All right, here we go. Day 3 coming in the books. So we got everything up here gutted. And so we're on the second floor right now. This is where the staircase, so the old stairs have come out. So it's gonna be a little exciting getting down, but I'll deal with that later. We've pulled up the floor. So now the new staircase is gonna take up this entire section in order to get up here. So in order to do a pretty standard 7-11 rise and run, we needed a lot more space. So all the horsehair plaster, and this was the only area here with horsehair plaster, and also wasn't insulated, came out. It gave us a really good chance to take a look at what we have here. So I'm just gonna give you a quick look up here into the attic. So this is the original house pitch. So you can see here, we're looking up, and there's the chimney. It's got a little bit of a dog's paw to it as it shifts and then moves to the center of the house. So that looks like it's nice and asymmetrical from the outside. And then this is the old pitch of the roof here. And then that goes up, and we can see it's got the shingles on it. They didn't take those off, so they used to shingle the roofs back then. And then we have the new roof, which is right there, and that came on with the addition. And then that just slams into the top. But what they didn't do was they didn't get rid of this pitch because it's still supporting the peak there. So we're going to take a look at that and see if there's any way to maybe square out this wall. But that's going to use, or not going to use, going to require a little bit of structural engineering. So we're going to get someone to take a look at that. Just have a little more experience. That's the closet now. So once the floor is all out of here, we've got some electrical wires that are going to get pulled back. So we're going to have an electrician come in and then put in a junction box and get those wires out of there. All these are going to get cut, and we're going to have a nice cathedral ceiling, which is going to be huge and kind of opening up this area. So now I'm just going to climb down and land on the floor. So this is still the entryway to the basement. We've got that closed off. We're not going to do that until we pull things out. We've cut the plaster back here. We got a nice clean line where we cut the plaster back. So the next step is to get the wall in here, and that wall is going to support the joists that are right here, the walkway above, and it's also going to be the backing for the stairs. So that's what's going to work on tomorrow, and then once we get the wall up, then we can knock all this away, and we'll still have access to the basement. On this side, we're going to put the door in here, so we're going to move this out, put a header beam there once we get it all done, put the door, that's going to be where the new basement is. And after some talk, we're going to move the bathroom door, which is currently coming from the kitchen, over to this side, so it's going to be access to the living room. Thinking about it, you don't really want a bathroom right off the kitchen, so having it on this side, there's plenty of room in there, would make it a lot more convenient when we're filling up the kitchen with things. So we're just dusting and cleaning away right now. And yeah, this is it. We got this whole bit all pulled out, and now it's just a matter of getting some wires pulled out of the way, getting some walls put up here to support the joists, cutting the joists free, and then building the stairs. The stairs will get built before the sheetrock starts coming in. And yeah, that's going to be our project for tomorrow. All right, thanks for checking it out, and yeah, I'll update you guys tomorrow.